the 10A, the same as Trevino and Rafif. So this is my journey on the Australia study tour. This is actually the second time I went to one of the. So on the first day we went to Melbourne. In Melbourne we actually had many activities, but on the first activities I'm so tired like Rafif, but I try my best to do something at least. So next. So in the first activity, we go to APMI where we story building, like story game coding. It's actually like kind of game, but it's a story game coding. And the next one is this is actually just some photo that I want to share with you guys. This is the shrine of remember where a place where like. It's actually like a war things. War memorial. Okay. The next one is the botanical garden in Melbourne. This is a really good place with lots of flowers, lots of green scene and something like that. I really appreciate the time with you guys in this place because we took a lot of photos in this place. Okay, next one. The next one we go to the private beach house where, I think we just look about the scenery and the view or something like that. Okay, next one. This is now we're going to the second day on Melbourne. The main place today is the Art Center. So this is a photo about. This is random photo. The next one, we go to the State Library Victoria. We actually don't go inside because it was closed that day. We just go shopping that day. So, yeah. Now we go to the day 3 in Melbourne. The first activity that we had here is the drone coding, but I didn't have the photo of it, so we have to do this. And then this is a cool place that I think you guys would like it. This is the Pizza Melbourne where lots of you guys buy some stuff here like the F1 thing. I haven't tried this one, but I think I forgot that it's the game. It was free though. Yeah, it's cool. Next one is the Street Art Graffiti where we use a stencil design and then we paint it with we spray paint it. My design is this sharp. And then this is Kenzie and it's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, next one. So the next one we go to the Royal Exhibition Building. This place is actually kind of cool, even though we don't go inside of it, but I do think that this place is pretty nice. This is actually pretty fun because we just found that there was some Indonesian shop like this one that Kenzie tried earlier. And then canteen, and then this is the place that we eat. I think this is Thailand, something like that. Now, day 4 we went to Melbourne, we fly to Melbourne. So this is the photo of the Sydney airport. So here, the place that we go after the airport is a PES where we get some food and some drinks on that place. The next one is kind of interesting. So the next place is we go to the wildlife exhibit at Taronga Zoo. We found out lots of interesting animals like this kangaroo, this koala, this I don't know, I forget his name. Next one please. And then 2 days before the last 2 days in Australia, the 5th day is the university visit. The university that we visit is UTS, University of Technology Sydney. There I think there's a workshop that I forgot to was it on that day too, we also go to the opera house. It's kind of fun. This is the day view. Even though we didn't go to the concert hall and post office, but we enjoyed the scenery and view. We took a lot of photos in there actually. So this is the night view of the opera house. There's actually a light show, fireworks show that day. This is the photo of the roof of the opera house, and this is the city view. It's pretty cool. And we finally turned into the 6th class day. We are in Australia and Sydney. The main activity that day was a workshop with lots of cool activity. The first activity is that we go to sandboarding. Like this one. It's really nice, but I enjoy it, but it was so hard. So I give it a 7 out of 10. Actually, and then this is the last day that we go, the Irukan Jishan and Ray encounters. Here we learn about the shark and ray, what kind of types, and then their food, their marine biology. Here we also touch some rays, like this one and this one. We touch some type of rays, and yeah. I think that's all from me. I really enjoy this study tour. I don't think I will go into another study tour because I felt one this year. So thank you for your time.